Hello, welcome back to the Off Grid family. Today I've been given the opportunity to review the Waterfly Shaolin bag, and this is not only a very aesthetic bag, but it's actually full of features. But before I get on, I'd just like to thank my Patreons. Darren, you're an amazing guy. I really appreciate you being, sticking with the channel. Really do appreciate it. If you'd like to join them, pop down in the description. All links are there. There is obviously a free sign up if you want to as well. You don't have to pay for anything. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, so let's have a look inside, shall we? Before I go any further, the fact that it's in an internal bag I think is really nice. Let's have a feel of the material. You can always tell if... oh, that's lovely. I was going to say you can always tell if it's good quality material for the bag. Very nice. The yeah, look at that. Great marketing. Okay. Let's have a look inside the goodie bag. Okay, so you got somewhere for the phone. Look at this is incredible. I love the material. Feels very nice. Okay, they got 3 different places for their after sales support: US, EU and Japan. But let's have a look at this. I'm really quite impressed with this. Okay, so it's got things that I really love. Like, for example, if you need to, you can actually have the thing fully open like this, and that's why the strap extends, because then it will go all the way around, so you can actually fill this completely up. You've got a zipped compartment here, which is pretty spacious actually. Water bottle holder here that actually does expand, which is pretty cool. Now that, oh, you got a whistle. They didn't mention that. This is for your phone, for your pen. See, the back padding feels really nice in that actually. What's this then? Okay, another little pocket. I'd assume that's for a phone as well, if you want to keep it out of the way. Possibly the anti-theft side of things. Oh, that's cool. I'd assume that's where you slide your laptop in. I love all the pockets and stuff at the back. It's like... laptop. I love that you can get into this from the back. So yeah, this is like this is where I put my pad. I always carry a pad with me, and obviously when I've got my laptop with me, it's a big pad. When I haven't, it's a small pocket sized one. That may be where the keys go, and that's another pen. So it's got 2 different places for pens. It's just getting more and more functionality. Do you know what I mean? So that's deceptively deep there. I was expecting it to only be about this deep, but that keeps going. Right. And it's all padded here because of the padding that goes around here, plus a little bit of internal padding. You've got quite a bit of padding there. Okay. One thing I will say is the zips are quite nice. Normally on something like this, can you see how that is basically closing up on itself? I've never seen that before. That's a rubbery material, and it's just completely gone. I've never ever seen that. That's really cool. Oh, it's on all of them. I think that's incredible. That's really clever. It's incredible. Really like that. Right, sorry, bit distracted. Right. So let's turn it back on in the right way. Let's say you put your laptop in the back. Now this here is obviously you can reach still into the laptop, and you've got all access to all of that stuff from this side. But can you imagine how much room you've got for, like, if I was able to still go camping, this would be enough. I wouldn't need any other room. This would have everything I need in it. Now it says water resistant or water repellent. I can't remember what exact word they used, but it feels so good. One thing I've just realised is if you do have it in its closed down position like this, you can actually obviously use this, but you could actually have your bedroll under this. So you could actually undo that and make that longer, and then this could be for your bedroll. So it's another way of carrying stuff. So yeah, again, another positive, I think. Okay, they boast a 24-in-1 bag system, multi-layered structure, breathable material and design, water repellent fabric, sustainable material, premium buckles, premium water resistant zips, expandable by up to 20%, innovative ergonomic shoulder straps, ventilated ergonomic 3D back panel, a 180-degree operating with tie-down Y straps, instant access pockets, dedicated laptop compartment, anti-theft security system, detachable strap pocket with shake-proof design, built-in mesh pockets, expandable side water bottle pocket, luggage pass-through, top carry handle, adjustable chest straps, detachable and adjustable waist straps, quick adjustment strap buckles, Velcro area for personal patches, built-in key clip, built-in pen holder. Okay, like I said in the intro, this thing is packed full of features, but there's more than I thought. You know, I'd done a quick little look over what there was and so on, but this thing is absolutely heaving with things, and it's the sort of thing that you start adding stuff to, putting stuff in, and then you go, actually, it can go here. And so a lot of the things in it have multiple uses, if that makes sense. But I really, really like this bag. This is now where I'm going to be putting all my other stuff in here, because I've got a small bag that's about 3/4 of this size, but I will move everything over because the straps specifically are very, very comfortable. But I really, really like this. If you'd like to get your hands on one of these, I'll put all the links in the description. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.